This magical stove can help you solve 90% of the troubles of outdoor camping. You only need to bring some kindling firewood and paper towels. No natural gas or coal gas is needed. It burns smokeless flames, instantly upgrading your outdoor cooking experience. Whether in the yard or outdoors, it can be easily handled. If you don't choose this wood stove, you will definitely regret it. You can barbecue and cook delicious food in the yard with your family and friends. Its top can be adapted to any pot. Interested friends are welcome to click Get Count to get local experience.